Command line arguments in C++, it is possible to pass the value from the command line. You can also pass the value to the command line to your C program is known as command line arguments. Command line means that is in your DOS prompt, okay. So you can able to see the DOS prompt, right? So that DOS prompt or shell prompt, you are running the C file. So at that time from the to the file name, you can pass some value through that command line itself. That is called command line arguments. The command line arguments are handled using main function. That is, there are two things in command line argument. One is argument C and another one is argument V array. So argument C, which is used to refer the number of arguments passed. So how many values you have passed to the function, that is called as argument C. Argument C is number of arguments passed, and argument V is the pointer array which points to each argument passed to the program. Whatever you are passing the value, that will be stored in an array, that is called as argument V. For example, you see this is the DOS prompt, or this is a shell prompt. In this shell prompt, I typed sample.cpp. This is the, within this program name, I am just giving some argument, testing 1 and testing 2. So how many arguments? This is 1 and this is 2. So sample.cpp is the name of the C program file. Argument C will be hold 2 because I am passing 2 values, right? 2 arguments. So it will be argument C stores 2. Argument V is the list of argument array. So in argument V0, so it is an array, okay, it will be continuous how many you pass. So initially this argument V0 holding this testing 1 and this argument V1 holding testing 2. So that's it. This is called as command line arguments.